Hello traders, hello investors, how are you guys doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today Tesla dropped minus 0.84%. That's not that horrible because SPY dropped minus 0.71%. QQQ dropped minus 1.40%, so Tesla is quite resilient. It is not dropping as much as QQQ. Usually it drops more, right? Usually Tesla is a high beta stock, so today it is a true sign of strength and resilience for Tesla, if you ask me, in my humble opinion. However, Tesla is trying to trigger a top sign today. This is not necessarily bad. In fact, this could be good news. If you are an investor, I will try to explain more in details in this video why. Just first remember, my dear friends, to click on the like button to support this channel. And if you're new around here, subscribe in order to keep in touch with my daily analysis. I'm here every single day to keep you guys updated on Tesla and on other stocks as well. And if you want to have access to my personal portfolio, consider subscribing the Finance Hydra portfolio newsletter. Check my website. The link is in the description of this video. This is an old newsletter, but here's a sample for you guys. I always share my insights on the market. I share the stocks I recommend, the details of the portfolio, its beta, how well diversified it is, and of course my performance, which is quite good. We are going up nicely. Last week we went up more than 4%, so this chart will explode a little bit more upwards over here. So just check my website. Every single trade since 2021 is there. My performance is totally public. I have absolutely nothing to hide. Very few professionals, very few experts in this industry have such astonishing performance. They can barely beat the market. However, we can. The Finance Hydra portfolio is consistently beating the market since 2021. Nearly no one can do that. So I think you guys are going to enjoy my performance and my services. Now, if you ask me, Tesla is indeed trying to trigger a top sign. We see the idea. I told you guys yesterday that the 908 was the key support level. We lost it briefly, and right now we traded way above the 908 today. However, we lost strength and we are quite close to this support level again. So to me, this key point, although we lost it today, it is still valid. We have the idea. I did share this idea to you guys yesterday, but I wasn't that serious because this pattern was not well formatted by then. We have the idea of a flag pattern as well. As long as Tesla remains under this resistance purple trend line and above this support level over here, Tesla will remain trapped and nothing new is going to happen. It is a good idea to see Tesla breaking this flag pattern upwards as soon as possible, because if Tesla keeps trading like this, weak, without any good movements going on, Tesla will remain in this flag pattern and the flag will become a descending channel chart pattern. And this is not good. How can we possibly tell when a flag is going to turn into a descending channel? We can't until it is too late. So right now, it is very important. If you want to see Tesla become bullish again, you got to see it breaking free from this flag pattern, breaking this purple trend line, and most important of all, the most important resistance level for Tesla to break is 935. Just look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times this price level worked as a resistance level for Tesla. We gotta break this point in order to become bullish again. If we fail in breaking this point, and if we lose the 908 again, I do believe Tesla will just resume its short-term bearish bias in the short term, which is not that terrible because in the daily chart, in the mid-term, Tesla is still clearly bullish. The trend is bullish. Yes, we failed in breaking the previous high, so we don't see a higher high over here. But as far as I know, Tesla could easily correct to its 21 EMA again, and this is it. The trend will remain bullish. It is not extremely bullish, but it is still bullish if you ask me. where is the path to here? It is still doing this, right? We failed in doing a higher high. So Nathan, this could be a possible double top chart pattern, right? Yes, it could. However, as long as Tesla remains above this purple line over here, the key support level, we can't say it is a double top chart pattern, all right? Let's not try to predict what's going to happen next. Remember, trading is reactive, it is not predictive. So as long as Tesla remains above 842, the purple line, the bull trend will persist. What if we lose the purple line, Nathan? Well, then it's gonna become bearish, all right? But right now, let's assume that since Tesla is in a bull trend, any pullback to its EMA or even to the 842 again would be just an opportunity to buy because Tesla is still totally bullish. I do believe this is just a harmless pullback for some technical reasons. First, uh, the trend is still bullish, all right? The EMA is still pointing upwards. It is still going up. We failed in losing the previous support level in the daily chart. In addition, Tesla is just losing strength. The volume is decreasing. This is a very nice way to tell when it is indeed a sell-off or when there is just a pullback. Usually the volume must be higher during actual sell-offs. During harmless corrections, even if we see a top sign, however, if we see a correction with low volume, that's okay. Probably it is just a normal correction in a bull trend. This happened over here. July 22, we did a top sign, just like we are doing right now. Okay, top sign. This is bad, right? Well, we're gonna see a pullback. This is not necessarily bad. We did the pullback for 2 days. Look at the volume over here. The volume was very low. This is a true sign of a pullback. Now, do we see any reversal sign on Tesla? Bearish reversal structure? No, there is not a single bearish reversal structure right now in Tesla. We see a top sign in the daily chart. We see some bearish structures in the 1 hour chart, which is the short term. However, mid-term speaking, the situation still seems to be under control. And again, today Tesla was quite resilient, was quite strong. So I'm quite happy with it. Even if you see a pullback, I think that's totally fine. That's totally expected and probably would be just an opportunity to buy more shares, to add some shares. And this is it. Of course, I will keep you guys updated every single day. And if you're still watching this video, it is about time for you to subscribe this channel. After all, you probably most likely you enjoyed the content, right? So seriously consider subscribing. Subscribe my newsletter. Check my performance on my website. You are gonna be impressed with it. Thank you very much for your support, my dear friends. Stay safe. Farewell.